Hey, good morning, I am Tim Shore. Alright, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff, you know. Alright, last day on Daytona Beach, gotta head back today. Girlfriend headed back last night because she had to work today, which was a little bit of a fiasco because she dropped her phone off the balcony last night, so she didn't have a GPS to get home. So, and reactivated the oldest one's old phone that she had with him. And he got some viruses and stuff on it, so it didn't work. So I had to go to Walmart and buy her a DPS. Which actually, we went to Walmart first, bought another phone to try to switch out the SIM card so little man would have a phone when we got home. That didn't work, so I had to buy a Garmin GPS. Fun times. So whatever. She got home by midnight. Returned the car on the wrong place. So I had to call the rental company tonight and let them know she dropped it off in the budget parking lot instead of the Avis, which I don't think it matters. I think they're affiliated with one another, but whatever. But that's what happens when you're in a rush because you don't own your time. Like I said, if you have residual passive income, you have more free time to do what you want, spend extra days at the resort with the kids and the family. Like, if you're not able to control your schedule and work when you want and where you want, there's an issue. And if you can't follow a simple three-step system that doesn't require sewing that better your life, I can't help you. I'm sorry. Like, there's a limit to how much somebody can do for you because no matter what, it's all comes back to you. You have to put in the work. If you want a better quality of life, you have to put in the effort. You have to put in the time. If you're in sales, you got to put in the cold calls. You got to door knock. You got to go talk to strangers. If you're in network marketing, you got to make more friends. Share the opportunity with more people. And like I said, even like my personal situation, most people are going to say no. Most people are going to be skeptical. Most people are going to assume you're trying to get them to sell for you. That's what they believe network marketing is. That's what everyone's hit them up for. They're trying to recruit them for a sales job. No one actually knows network marketing is not direct selling. You're not directly trying to sell your products or your services. You're trying to help people create a better quality of life by helping the products and services move from the manufacturer to the consumer by word of mouth marketing. You do that by sharing with other people an opportunity for them to take control of their lives and create extra income by simply sharing something with their friends and their family and loved ones. And that's how the products and services move. You're not going out there meeting, door knocking, cold calling strangers and be like, oh yeah, what's up, man? I got this awesome product for you. You should check it out. No, you wait. Network marketing is simple, y'all. You turn strangers into friends. You turn your friends into family. Because everybody wants a better quality of life. Everybody wants to have fun with what they're spending their time doing. Because the majority of your life is spent working. So if it's not fun, why the hell are you doing it all the time? I have not know a bunch of people online who, oh, this one lady online, she works at the Amway Center. Not even sure what state that's in, but the Amway Center, she's been there for like either 5, 8, or 15 years. I don't remember off the top of my head, but so I had back. I'm like, oh, that's awesome. So you work at the Amway Center? Are you a distributor for Amway? She's like, no. I'm like, well, granted, Amway is a direct selling company, but you can, if you actually did it like a network marketing, I mean, you could do it that way. But I'm like, okay, so why? So I'm like, okay, so working there creates, gives you the time and the money to do what you want when you want. So no, it's just a job like any other job. So I started back here, and then I'm like, after my 8 years in the army, I realized I'm working for someone else that's no one now, and letting someone else control your schedule. No, I'd rather get paid weekly commissions plus monthly residuals. It's way more enjoyable, and then have other sources of residual passive income. Because, like I said, if you're relying on one source and one stream of income, your job, your salary, you're screwing yourself in the long run. You won't have the time or the money to go to enjoy little getaways when you want to. And like I said, if you have a family, you got a fiasco around the school, and if you have a partner, their work schedule, if they haven't retired yet because they're stubborn and won't let you just pay for everything. Yeah, because some people want their own money and they feel like they got to work for it. even though you share an awesome opportunity where they can create more money and have more fun. I don't know. Some people are just strange. Like I said, that's the issue with the majority of Americans. You've been brainwashed since you've been going to school. You have to go to work. You got to trade your time for money. You got to let someone else control your schedule in order for you to enjoy your life. No. Create a home-based networking business. Take control of your life. Take control of your income. Take control of your freedom. Once you have residual passive income come in, you open up the doorway to more opportunities. You can spend more time doing what you want instead of having to work and do what you think you have to do. So y'all be smart. Like, subscribe, comment, and follow for more helpful tips on creating residual passive income and owning your life.